Hi, this is Jim with This Old Coach, Everything RV. And if you've ever been on a long trip and you come home and your black water tank is full, well, I've got an easy solution for that. If you've got a septic system, I would like to show you my solution to that dilemma. And so I figured out a way to do it, and here we go. Well, the first thing you want to do is hook up a hose to your, if you've got one of these contraptions that you put on the pipe right there that you let water into, and it'll clean the hose or clean the tank. You want to connect that first thing you do. So as you can see from under here, I've got 1/4 inch, and it's vent pipe that I'm using. I'm not using the regular drain pipe. It's lightweight vent pipe. And I've got the flexible hose, discharge hose, going into that to create support. And I made like a little support system here out of just a piece of fence wood. And let me go get the rest of my pipe. So what I like to do is work from the septic tank back to the coach. And this is the lid to the septic tank. And so I'm just gonna pop that off. And not for the faint of heart. And I've got this like grappling hook. If your lid is down 3 or 4 feet like mine is, I got this. I think it's a gaffer for a fish. Anyway, I'm able to pick the lid up out of it without dropping it. All right, so I got that off. Next, we've got this. I made this pipe with a 90-degree angle on it. Gonna go straight down into the tank. So each one of these pipes is about 10 feet long, and I just connect them. So, all right, here's pipe number 3. All right, pipe number 4. Pipe number 4. Okay, so what I do at the end is I've got this little shorter pipe that I cut to fit, and I stick a discharge hose in it. Like that. Okay, got all the pipe set up, running all the way back to the back of the RV. What I like to do is turn the water on and run water down to make sure there's no leaks, because I don't have these pipes glued together. Okay, so I have the water running through the clean out, and as you can see, it goes from the back of my RV all the way to the top of the septic tank. Okay, let's see what happens. So the gray water clean out is here. I always keep that open. So here it goes. Ooh. Can't say it doesn't stink. So yeah, and it's just draining out. Don't have to take it to a special place to dump it out. I can do it right here at my house. So keep the water running during this whole time. It cleans out the pipe as it goes along, so I'm not spilling sewage water everywhere. All right, so I took all the pipe, put it away, rinsed it off, but always a good idea to, rinse everything off really good after you've dumped the tank. All right, that's the lid right there, and it's got a lot of buildup on it. Kind of disgusting, but better to do that out here, not in. Yeah, and one more thing too is that I don't put the lid back on the septic tank, because sometimes the level comes a little higher, and I just wait for it to go down. It takes a few minutes. So, but I know this is just basics, but this is back to the point of entry. And I'd like to fill my bowl, you know, almost all the way with water. So you've got, you know, about a couple gallons, maybe a gallon or so. And then add your Campa-Clean, which you can get this stuff at like Walmart or whatever. Put it in the toilet, flush it down, let that thing do its job.